Good morning, everyone. It is actually 11 something at this point right now, and I've been pretty busy this morning. Got up around 6 o'clock, changed my sheets, went downstairs, took care of the bunny, which included pulling out his whole cage, cleaning it all out, scrubbing the wall behind there. I still have to vacuum and Swiffer the basement, which I'll do a little bit later this afternoon. I went to the gym, came home, had my breakfast, watched a little YouTube videos, my guilty pleasure. And now I'm going to be running to both Target and to Petco to buy things that I'm going to need for my upcoming trip. So my trip is a week from today. Very excited about it, and I got to make sure I have all the supplies on hand for this bunny rabbit because we have a bunny sitter coming. So what am I wearing today? And again, it was a quick wardrobe change. I had something all laid out, planned I was going to wear, but then once I went outside and saw the weather, I was like, oh, it's cold and I have errands to do, so I switched it up. I put away all my heavy duty winter sweaters. I mean, I didn't put them away. I put them over to the side of my closet, and I'm going to be starting to focus in on my long sleeve cotton like sweaters. So that's exactly what this is. This is a Sanctuary sweater, 100% cotton. I got it from Freestyle. It is more of a looser fit for me. You know, I tend to like my things a little bit more form fitting. This is okay. You know, this is apparently about as loose as I'll go as far as a sweater goes. I paired it with my Judy blue jeans because again, this is going to be good for running around, and my black loafers. And I know that this is an exciting outfit, and yesterday, which you saw in last week's video, wasn't exciting either. But I've got stuff to do, and life takes precedence over fashion sometimes. Okay, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Monday. Thank goodness a rest day for me at the gym. Last 2 days at the gym, we did so many shoulders that I had a hard time sleeping last night. My shoulders were so sore. So before I get into today's outfit, I have a question for all of you guys. So I know I already put an order in for a Trendsend box for when I get back from vacation. And one of the things that I definitely wanted is that zip out Dickie blazer that Laura got in Little Box of Happy, and I requested it. And that got me started to thinking, all right, I have a motor jacket with the zip out. And I was thinking, you know, it'd be really cool if I can buy different zip outs from. Now I know Veronica Beard has her Dickie blazer, and they sell those Dickies for $200 a pop. Not my price range. So I thought, gosh, somebody on Amazon must have created these zip out Dickie things to insert into different things. Now, I realize that you're going to have an issue with the teeth lining up and the different brands of zipper and also the length. But I figured that I'd go on Amazon and find things for $15, $20 of all different sizes and styles, etc. I couldn't find anything. Do people really not purchase these Dickie zip outs, or do they really spend $200 a pop for just a Dickie zip out? Let me know in the comments below. Like, where do you just deal with what you got and never switch it out? I just thought it'd be kind of a cool thing to have, and I just can't seem to find where to buy them. Maybe my searching is wrong. So that's my little question for today. What am I wearing? So it's going to be warm today, like around 55 degrees, which is warm for this time of year. So I decided to pull out the skirt. This skirt is by Skies Are Blue. I got it from Stitch Fix Freestyle over the Christmas holiday. It was on sale for 20 bucks. Couldn't pass it up. Thought it was cute. It's elastic style in the back, and in the front it is a flat panel front. It has a little pleated here on the bottom. It is fully lined in polyester. It's black, and it has like some purple and even a little bit of brown here in the flowers. A very delicate, I guess a leaf pattern is what I would call it, all right? Underneath, I also have a $20 Amazon mock neck shell. Happy with this, very comfortable, very soft, seems to fit well. We'll probably order some more. Over it, I have a not so cheap satin blazer that it's by Sanctuary, and I also got it from Stitch Fix Freestyle. Paid pretty penny for it. I think it was over $100. And I have my Chanel inspired shoes on today. They're by Anne Klein, I believe. I'm pretty sure I also saw these on sale recently at Nordstrom. I like these shoes a lot. They're very comfortable. Not so sure it works with this outfit exactly, but this is what we're going with. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Tuesday. Got up, went back to the gym today. It was an endurance workout and I ran nearly 2.8 miles and I feel on top of the world. I rarely get that far and I feel really good about myself that I was able to push myself, and I'm feeling good, so there you have it. What am I wearing today? Again, working from home. It's actually going to be in the 60s today. I've had this outfit pulled out in my closet to wear for a while. It's something I put together and it was inspired by Daily Look. So Daily Look has been hitting me hard with their ads, and I have to admit, they've been showing me some cute stuff. I haven't wavered yet, I haven't ordered anything, but I'm trying to recreate what they're presenting to me. Now, what they showed me was this white and black. It was a white dress with black polka dots, but it was very subtle and it had like flouncy bottom, all right? I did not have a white and black polka dot dress, and I don't think I really need to go get one. But I do have a white and black polka dot blouse, and I have this off-white faux suede skirt. So I decided to pair them together. It's definitely not the same look. I know the whites don't quite match, and the skirt is definitely a different style skirt than the dress they were showing. They were actually showing like a flouncier type of skirt. And they showed it with this like a bluish greenish colored moto, and I just thought it looked so cute together. This moto is from Blank NYC. I probably got it in 2020 after watching Laura from Little Box of Happy get hers from Anthropologie, and it was on sale, so I snatched it up myself. I refer to this color as sea glass. Love this moto, but because of the color, I don't get a chance to wear it that often. The blouse is probably 2021 from Express. It was a fairly cheap blouse. It's short sleeves here, a little flutter sleeve, high ruffle neck. The skirt is definitely pre-COVID. I'm gonna guess 2018, Macy's INC. It's faux suede with the patch pockets here in front. I remember getting it during like a winter time when it was on super clearance. And my shoes are by Sanctuary, which I believe I got last year. And yeah, this is my outfit for today. If you don't like it, that's okay. I kind of carved it together with what I had, and I'm trying to give all my clothes some love. And I have to say, both the blouse and the skirt and the jacket don't get as much love as they should. So I'm hitting all the birds with one stone today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Wednesday. I'm taking a 5-minute break from work because today I went to the gym, came home, took care of the bunny, showered, went to my nutritionist because she and I are not going to be available this Friday. Came home, ate my breakfast, and was online until now. What am I wearing today? Well, it's going to be in the 60s. It's rainy and kind of damp, but I really wanted to channel in that spring. I'm wearing this Nation LTD top. I'll come a little closer so you can get a better idea of the color. It's kind of a peachy, kind of a tan, kind of like a cafe au lait type of thing. I don't know. And with it, I have paired my new cut from the cloth wide leg crop pants in this dark olive-ish grayish color. They're like a linen blend. I've been sitting down, so they've gotten a little wrinkled. And I have paired on an Ever Eve belt that I have last year and my Dolce Vita slide mules. And this is my comfy, cozy, working out from home outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Thursday, and what's going on today? I'm working from home. I went to the gym. Struggled on the struggle bus this morning as it was my third day in a row at the gym. And tonight we're actually having company. We have I'm going to call them extended family coming over from Norway, paying my mother-in-law a visit, wants to see where she's going to be moving to, and they're coming down here, and we're going to go out to dinner with them tonight. So, what am I wearing today? I'm going to come close so you can see the print of this. This is a White House Black Market, and I would say it's a scroll pattern blouse in like a purple, and it's black and dark gray and a little bit of white in it. Stand back so you can see the rest of it. It has the banded bottom here, tie here on the side, and completely banded and elasticized here in the back on the bottom. Wearing them also with my White House Black Market jeans with the pin tucking down here, my seaming in front, and my Vince Camuto high-heeled boots. And yeah, this is my outfit for today. The top is circa 2018 from like White House Black Market, so an oldie. Still like it. I haven't worn it yet this winter, but finally decided to pull it out. I am proud to say I wore every winter sweater that I have, every winter blouse, and every bottom I have. I think I got all those skirts in too. All skirts made for winter, I think I got in. What I didn't get in this winter, all of them, are my winter dresses. I think I got most of them in, but not all of them. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. Yes, I do have a ton of clothes in my closet, but I generally do wear them. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Friday and I've been waiting forever for this day. This is my last working day before vacation. I am so excited. My friend Shannon is flying in tomorrow and Sunday we leave for our cruise. So, what am I wearing today? What am I up to? I did not go to the gym because we actually went out to dinner last night at the Cheesecake Factory. And I came home and I knew I wasn't going to go to the gym today. I went 3 days in a row. Today's a well-earned rest day, but I planned my week around my activities. Went to the Cheesecake, ate a lot last night, and was up the whole night. I was thirsty. I was full. My shoulders hurt from the gym. It was hot. I mean, I could not sleep. You name it, I could not sleep. Today I'm working. It's going to be a busy day ahead. I don't know why, but my boss decided to launch 2 things while I'm out. So the you-know-what is going to hit the fan when I'm not there. I kind of feel bad for my coworkers, but it is what it is. So I'm trying to prep them as to what could possibly go wrong while I'm not there. What am I wearing today? So this is a brand new sweater that I just trying on pretty much for the first time myself. I tried it on quickly the other night, but I couldn't really style it, so I wasn't sure if I like it or not, but I put on how I would style it now, and guess what? I like it. I'm keeping it. I'm going to just wear it today, and this same footage is also going to go in my outfit of the day. So sorry if you're seeing this again. Yes, this is my outfit of the day video as well, too. Not just this is my outfit of the day, and it's also going to be what I am styling. So this sweater is from Sanctuary. I got it from Stitch Fix. True story, it was on Ever Eve's site and it was on Stitch Fix's site. I turned it down at first at Stitch Fix and didn't purchase it myself. And I saw it on Ever Eve and I liked it even more. You know, the way they styled it and everything, I don't know, there was something about it. I liked it better there. But I wasn't going to order it from Ever Eve because I would have to pay for shipping. I believe it's $100 minimum, and this isn't $100. And then I would have to worry about returning it, and it's a nightmare. Stitch Fix is a lot easier. And I wasn't quite sure if this was gonna work for me because it is a little bit oversized, and I typically don't like oversized. And of course, what happened at Stitch Fix, this disappeared and sold out. And I couldn't find it. I went, oh my God, I was an idiot. I should just gotten it. So I kept stalking the Stitch Fix Freestyle app, and it came back in and I snatched it. And I had shown my friend Shannon, I'm like, have you seen this sweater? Because she's a stylist there. She's like, add it to your wish list. She's like, I will pick it and pick it out for you if it does show up. But it came for me before my box even went to her because I postponed my box until after vacation. All right, so let me step back so you can see the sweater. It's a cardigan style. It's an open weave, so it's a crochet style with an open weave here. 100% cotton. Has the varsity preppy styling, tortoiseshell buttons. I left it open and I styled them with my Moto style black spank leggings. I think this is a great little sweater on the spring transition day. I love the 100% cottonness of it. I like the sportiness of it, the relaxed look of it. So this is a keeper. Underneath I just have a black tank from Loft from maybe 2 years ago. And my shoes, hopefully you can see this. I noticed the angle was off on my last video. My shoes are my Dolce Vita. They're the Xena sneaker and they're in tan. And yes, I need black sneakers. So Shannon, if you're watching, I also put this on my list. I need black sneakers because I think this looks kind of funky together. I need something to blend right in. I don't own a pair of black sneakers. Okay, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Or if you're watching this footage in my new items that I purchased, stay tuned and you will see one more outfit after this. Hi everybody, it is Saturday and today is a busy day for me. So I got up, went to the gym, went and did my food shopping just to buy the bunny rabbit his lettuce that he's going to need over the next week. Then I came home, thoroughly cleaned the basement, ate my breakfast, and took my shower. And then my husband and I went to pick up Shannon, and she's here in the other room, but she didn't want to be on camera today. I think I'm going to drag her on tomorrow to show her outfit along with me. We're going to go, she's been at my house now probably for about an hour and a half, and we're going to go over and get massages at a shopping center near my house. And then we're all gonna go to the diner for dinner together, make it very casual. We don't have any food in the house right now, and yeah. So what am I wearing for this? I am wearing this seafoam green. It's a typical polyester blouse, but it's a nice thin satiny polyester, very soft, that I got from my Front Door Fashion. It's by Liverpool. It has the V-neck, which I like, and when I had my colors done, they said that this is one of my colors, this like light teal, I guess, kind of color, or seafoam green, whatever you want to call it. With it, I have paired my dark wash, or really black, or faded black jeans from Evereve that have a button fly here that's hidden in the front. And I'm wearing my black mules mainly because, I don't know if you can see it or not, it's raining outside and we're gonna go get massages, so I'm just gonna like throw these off when I get my massage. And that is it this week. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I'm free. Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me that thumbs up. And I'm not so sure you're gonna see a video this coming week or not. I'm gonna try and do videos on the ship, hopefully, of my outfits at least. And that is it. All right, take care, and until next time.